Hello everyone, this is Audrey, the travel mama. I'm sorry I haven't been posting video for a while. I'm now at 37 weeks pregnancy and I'm getting tired really easy. But I think it's time for me to do another update on my Hoya semi-hydro experiments. I actually had another experiment with these fishtails. I'm gonna talk about that in this video too. So let's start it. So this is my Hoya Finlaysonii. As you can see, it has been growing a lot since I put in a semi-hydro. I don't know if you guys remember that when I first received this Hoya, it was in a weird color, like maybe it's exposed to long-term sun exposure, or maybe don't have enough nutrition, so the leaves was kind of yellowish in a not healthy way. But since I put this one in a semi-hydro, it's the leaves turning back to darker green, and the mark is really clear on this new leaf. It just looks really healthy and has been growing a lot. I'll put it out of the pot. You can see there's some roots in the bag too. So this one is definitely really happy staying in the semi-hydro. I haven't even tried to put the Hoya back into soil after they grow roots in semi-hydro. So I don't really know if I want to do this with this one, as it looks so good. But I'm really happy with these experiments on this Hoya for sure. So this is my Hoya Rosita. I don't know if you guys still remember when I first put this one into the Leca bee. It doesn't have this new branch. It only have this old one. So this is one has been growing since I put in a semi-hydro, and it has been growing really fast. It looks very healthy, as you can see. And there's also tons of roots. Let me take it out. Oopsie. Growing. Since it's in the semi-hydro, you can see all the green tips. There are all the new roots and the water. So this one's very happy. This is the sunrise. It's the only Hoya that I have trouble growing at this moment. No matter what I do to this Hoya, it just won't grow. So last time when I posted the update on this Hoya, somebody said maybe I should just start all over again with this Hoya instead of waiting for it to recover. So what I did, I cut this Hoya into two again, and hopefully that could stimulate this Hoya to growing again. Since that is actually growing some root, let me find where the root is. It's somewhere inside the pot. You might not be able to see it, right here somewhere. So it has been growing some root tips from these two new cuttings, but besides that, I don't see any improvement or any growth on it. So hopefully I can save this one, but if there's nothing going on with this Hoya, I may have to just purchase another sunrise. I think there's something wrong with this particular plant at this moment that I may not be able to save it. This is the Fishtail Hoya. It's not the same Fishtail Hoya that I put in the semi-hydro. The one I put into the semi-hydro really loved the environment. It grows tons of root and already started to growing like a new brand Hoya. Has at least 4 to 6 leaves, I believe. I give this one to my mom, so I can show you guys. This is a new experiment I'm doing with this fishtail. It's just 2 leaves into the Leca bee. I did update all my Hoyas last time, and I show you guys that I think it's these leaves. It actually has some roots growing, but because the leaf is only touch the top soil, And you know, when I water the Hoya, I always wait for the topsoil to dry at least, so these root tips kind of just dried up. Now I'm putting this old leaf and then get another new leaf into this semi-hydro to see if I can grow new plants out of these two leaves. So it's my new experiment. Finger crossed that works. I think hopefully those root tips started growing back again. I don't know if you guys can see it there, but finger crossed. So this is my update on my semi-hydro Hoya growing experiment. So far I'm really happy with this method. So I hope you all enjoy this video and happy growing. You all have a happy Thanksgiving.